Just for giggles, I thought we'd have a little guessing game here. How much does this car, this Dune Buggy transmission tester, weigh in its present form? Got a basically stock magnesium AS41 case, stock RRS sedan tranny, stock torsion assembly with bars, nothing's beefed up, stock trailing arms, stock axles, CVs, lawn tractor battery, stainless steel gas tank, probably have less than a gallon. I know there's less than a gallon of gas in it. About roughly 70 feet of 1.5-inch tubing, believe it or not, and about 35-40 feet of 1.5-inch, 1-inch tubing, 0.95 wall thickness, expanded metal floor that is just temporarily zip tied in. Got your aluminum cutter brake, goes to the individual rear wheels, stock steel pedal assembly, aluminum beam front end with the standard leaf springs, torsion leaves inside the beam, aluminum spindle mount wheels, no inner tubes on all four corners. What do you think it weighs? This thing is ready to roll. It's got the rear view mirror, got the seat belts, even got shoulder straps dangling here. So this would not be too far off what I would like running weight if I was going to take it out on the sand. What do you think it weighs? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ.